Shivansh, serving as legal intern Lexis Law Company. Today we will discuss Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act 2015. The accompanying Act of Parliament obtained the consent from the President on 31st December 2015 and is thus circulated for general info. This is an act to combine and amend the law associated to children, which are positively asserted and found in conflict with the law, and the child needs to provide care and security by taking into account their essential needs through legitimate consideration, assurance, advancement, treatment, social remix, by embracing a child-centered approach in the mediation and removal of issues to the most progressive growth of the child, and further restoration through procedures, giving and organization and bodies as mentioned in the recent amendment of Juvenile Justice Act 2015. The sections 1, clause 1, 2, 3, 4, it represents that this act might be popularly known as Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. It reaches out to the entire of India aside from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It will come into power on such days as the central government may, by notification of the officers, choose, notwithstanding anything contained in some other law. For now in power, the social arrangements of this act will apply to all issues concerning child needs, care and security, and youth in strife with law, including anxiety, confinement arrangement, appropriate punishment or detained restoration, and social reincorporation of kids in a strict with the law. The increase in the number of crimes, including rapes committed juvenile at the age of 16 to 18, was the main reason to introduce a new legislation. More retributions than reforming the new law raised several questions. The new law is considered retributive because it contains provisions for teenagers who commit a heinous crimes punishable by 7 years or more must be tried as adults, but in juvenile court. The child found guilty of the heinous crimes is sent to a safe place until the age of 21, after which he is transferred to a prison. This court ensures that this means that the benefit of a child is not granted to the minor when found guilty of committing a heinous crimes. Many protesters criticize the new law on minors for being unconstitutional. The court noted that in Rule 4 regulations standard minimum rules for the administration of child. In the case of Pratap Singh in the state of Jharkhand, one had to give all its importance to the moral and psychological elements even when responsible for a crime. Thank you. And if there's any doubt, please mention that in the comment section.